Hoy. Lola, come here. Lola!
Ma!
Mami! Ay.
Sa salas, picture mo. Jimmy, doon kayo sa salas. Ma, go upstairs sa salas, picture mo na si John.
Okay, go. Get
Wait,
down.
Wait.
Okay, sige na.
John, come here.
Dahil, this is video. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay.
Doon, ano yung still picture of...
Just take the this is John together with Grandma. Okay, this is the house of Danny.
Iba ba na ito kahapon di tayo duman dito? Yesterday.
No, we did not. Another
Tayo
bridge
dumaan
yun.
dito?
We took another bridge, man. Sa Verrazano yun.
Parang sa Manico Bridge ang haba.
Bridge going to the airport.
Bridge going to the airport ang haba.
The tallest building, you could tell. That's the tallest building. Pero pagka nandiyan ka sa Manhattan, you cannot tell because you cannot see them. Matataas ang building. You have to be far to notice that. Yanduk, look at
That
the
is
view
the
of
Empire
Manhattan.
State. This is
Look straight
Manhattan.
ahead. Manhattan.
What?
Manhattan, straight up. Right there.
View daw ng ano, Manhattan.
Ayun yung Empire State.
Yeah. Yanduk, look at
That
the
is
view
the
of
Empire
Manhattan.
State. This is
Look straight
Manhattan.
ahead. Manhattan.
What?
Manhattan, straight up. Right there.
View daw ng ano, Manhattan.
Ayun yung Empire State.
Yeah. Dito, Jimmy, stop mo muna. Pagka nandun ka na papunta. Yan, right here. Start right here. Yan. There's Manhattan from the bridge. View of Manhattan from George Washington Bridge. And that's the Henry Hudson River. Hudson River. Ganda. This is the bridge connecting New York to New Jersey, ma. Tell John. John, tell Lola.
Okay, this is Manhattan.
Ano naman yan dyan?
Manhattan Bridge.
East River. East River.
Dapat pala binuksan ko yung ano so that we can see it. And then this is Queens, Albany. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, okay. This is Bronx, New York.
Bronx, New York.
This is where John's live. This is the place of John Aurelio. John, right?
Going through the Bronx.
Going to the Bronx. It's Bronx.
You know, John, right? Park downtown and then take the subway again to go up to Times Square. I think that's what I could do. Park downtown and then go to Times Square. Ah, you know what? Ano na lang.
Dito nag-aral si John ng
Saint Paul the Apostle.
Okay. Saint Paul the Apostle. This is the place of John.
Saint Paul.
What street? What is your street?
John, I'll drop you off here in the corner, okay? Here? No,
Okay.
no, I will make a U-turn.
Where is John? John, kiss your Lola. Lola. Bye-bye. Lola, aalis na si John.
Bus by the bus stop.
Okay, bye-bye, John.
Bye, John.
Open the trunk.
Oh yeah, I will. Ma,
Ayan si John. Oh, John.
Don't forget niya. Again, no?
Ay,
Don't forget your lola, ha? Anak?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Jimmy, ayan na. Halika ka na.
Bye, Tito Jimmy.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bumaba ka naman, Jimmy.
hindi na ma. Alis na tayo.
Bumaba ka naman. Baba mo yung gamit niya, Jimmy.
Sige na.
Bye-bye, John.
Bye.
Bye, Dad. Ha?
John, sa many food. Bye-bye.
Sa babahay nila.
Dito sa isang street.
Okay, take up medicine, okay?
Mabait yung batang.
Bye-bye.
Bye, John.
See you next year.
Bye-bye.
Saan ang bahay nila?
Dito sa kabilang street. Dito sila graduate ma ito.
Okay, this is Bronx. Wow, it's
Hindi, nagtitinda ng ano yan, bottled water.
all. Look at the ano. I thought it's a beggar. Okay.
No, it's not. Ng subway on top and then that will go underground. The subway, ito ma. On top, nag-start sa top and then it will, pagkadating sa Manhattan, babagsak sa underground. Yan.
Okay. Okay, this is Bronx, New York. Look at the
Look at the street, parang Manila. It's like you are in the Philippines. This is the Bronx, New York. A lot of Spanish people and African American people. It's like the Divisoria here.
may barber shop. It's like the Divisoria. No, it's not like a Divisoria. It's like
Ano tong like ano? It's like a monumento.
Ano na ito, Manhattan? Yung Manhattan?
Ano to, Bronx ma. It's like ano to,
Di ba
Jimmy,
dito
parang
office
ano nito, monumento o Caloocan. Parang Rizal Avenue.
I don't know.
Di ba? Yung along, look at all the apartment buildings.
Oh, tignan mo.
See?
Ay, may McDo pa. Oh.
Mga stores.
Furniture.
See?
May McDonald's. Look at the building. It's like an old building.
Mga apartment buildings yan.
Tama yun.
Ang grandma.
Oh, yan, ang grandma mo.
Mabait yun. Ugali ka.
Oh, Lola. Ayun.
No,
Nasa Bronx ka na. Puro negro dito.
di mo
Okay.
kami kinunan. Akap-akap ako dyan.
No, nakuha na.
Ayun, Lola. Kailangan araw-araw na niligo ka, Lola.
Mabait yung bata yun. Ugali Pilipino. Hindi nagkukunan.
St. Patrick's ma. Yes.
Oh, ang daming bus din, oh.
Ayan ang New York City bus. New York City bus. Not-check pagka nasa river na tayo.
George Washington Bridge.
Sarap ng hangin Amerika.
Look at the bridge.
George Washington.
This is George Washington Bridge.
We are on the Ayan and Hudson River. Henry Hudson.
Ano naman yan?
George Washington Bridge, Mami. Hudson's Parkway.
Stop mo muna.
What is that?
Henry Hudson.
Henry Hudson Bridge.
Yeah.
Henry Hudson.
Hudson River.
Henry Hudson River.
That's it.
This is connecting what?
New Jersey and New York.
This is connecting New Jersey and New York. And look at the place. We're now approaching New Jersey,
Manhattan.
Manhattan.
O, stop mo ulit. Diyan nag-crash yung airline. Diyan nag-crash yung airline. May airline na nag-crash. Diyan. Pero buhay lahat ng passenger. Na safe.
Yung galing sa, saan ba yun?
Sa airport, yung sa US Airways, galing sa LaGuardia. On take off, nag-emergency landing dyan sa gitna ng dagat.
Walang na-save.
Na-save lahat, 150 people.
Sa mga barko. Diyan pala daanan ng mga barko.
Yes. Ganda ng Amerika man, no? Kaya tinawag na America the Beautiful eh. Ma, you know how pretty America is? Kaya tinawag ang America the Beautiful. Rumba. Rumba. Just like to see the rumba. Just like to see the rumba.
Okay, this is the island of Manhattan. Where
Baka kasi
95th
Tita Bernie mo, di
Street.
pa nakakarating dito eh.
Bakit naman hindi?
Nakarating na yun, Daddy, many
Hindi,
years ago.
nakarating sila sa Hawaii.
Malayo na, matagal na raw. 18 years. Dito ka na mag-start mag-ano. Yan, para kita mo na yung mga Manhattan skyline. As we're approaching.
Ano yung pagkumpay?
Mga private yan, ha. Fishing boat. Stop muna.
Okay.
Ayan na yung mga truck
I have to take a picture. Okay, this is Midtown Manhattan.
Ano na
Trump
yung
Towers. Donald Trump.
Wala, look at the buildings.
Ano yan yung matatanda?
Mga luxury condominium yan, ha.
Ha?
Milyon ang halaga yan. Milyones.
Wala.
Yep.